हेलो फ्रेंड्स, रिसेंटली आपने एक चीज नोटिस किया हुआ है, आप जिसी को भी मिल रहे हो, चाहे आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में बोलो, कम्युनिटी और बिजनेस सर्कल, one thing is common. People are complaining a lot about feeling very lousy, feeling like they are in depression, they are in frustration, they feel like they have been rejected. And a big question is how to bounce back. So considering this as a current disease, I am going to share something important things related to this. Friends, there are 3 important parameters in the life, and I think this is going to help you throughout the life. You can really understand the depth of it. The first and foremost is your willpower. We all know about the willpower, but one thing always remember this: your willpower always a powerful proportionate to your ambition. If you are a very ambitious person, if your plans are very clear on the piece of paper, if you know where you are heading and where you are driving, then I am telling you, the willpower is going to work in a different manner. Because the clarity of mind really matters. Because wherever confusion is there, clarity is not there, and wherever clarity is there, confusion cannot remain there. So if you are very clear with your paper plan, that is going to give you peace of mind. And if you do not have proper paper plan, then it is going to become a pieces of mind. In the situation of pieces of mind, you cannot be generate or you cannot show your willpower. So really you wanted to work with your will. What you require is the first is your ambition. If you are ambitious enough and you are clear with your paper, I think you do the great. Along with the willpower, the second, which is very important, is a zeal power. Zeal means enthusiasm. Zeal means vibration. Zeal means spirit. Zeal means energy. This is what the zeal power is. And that zeal power enhances the power of willpower. In most of the time, you always says in sales basically, if you consider any salesman, minus zeal is equal to clerk. Because we all know salesperson is not selling the product. Salespersons are always selling his confidence. And in the same manner, from the other side, customer never buy the product. Customer always buy the confidence which salesperson is showing in his product. So what is important is your confidence. From where it comes? From your enthusiasm, from your zeal, from your spirit. So when you have a willpower, when you have a zeal power, and the most important third factor is skill power. How can you generate your skill power, my dear friend? Skill always comes from your experience, and beyond that, from your exposure. Nowadays, we always say experience is out and exposure is in. If you have a combination in your life, experience along with the exposure, you are a wonderful, skillful person. You become an amazing person. You become a challenging person. You become an unshakable person. Recently, I have received one WhatsApp. I like that WhatsApp very well because the message was very clear. It was written in the WhatsApp that मैं काफी अकेला हूँ. But the most important part is the second line. It says, मैं अकेला ही काफी हूँ. I think that statement makes the difference. It's a beautiful combination of willpower, zeal power, and skill power. When you have these 3 with you, I am telling you, you don't require anybody's power. You become a powerful. So whoever may be the person talking to you about a depression, frustration, or rejection, I would request you, please share this concept with them, and I am very much sure they will be able to bounce back very fast. Thank you very much.